Folks, do not buy a new Toyota yet, unless you're okay being the beta tester. Toyota built its entire reputation on one thing: reliability. That was the brand, that was the promise, but here's the reality. Toyota promise is getting shaky. The market is still treating Toyota like it's 2015. Prices are high, demand is high, and trust is still high. But the products, that's where things start to break down literally. Let's be fair. On paper, these new Toyotas look solid: turbocharged engines, new transmissions, updated interiors, more tech. You would feel like it makes your life easier, right? Better, yes. More advanced, yes. There's a big but. Let's translate that into real life. More tech equals more things to fail. Turbo engines means more stress on the motor, more heat, and more long-term risks. New platform, yeah, but less long-term data to compare, right? And we're seeing it. Engine issue in newer trucks, transmission concern in models like the new Tacomas, long wait times for repairs, and people stuck making payments on those cars, and they can't fully trust. They can't use it, but they're still making the payment. The payments don't stop. This is not theoretical. This is happening right now. People are making payments. People are crying out there. Cars already. Here's a rule. If a vehicle hasn't proven itself over times, don't buy it. Simply don't buy it. Don't buy it too early. You let other people test that for you first. Then you know the data. You understand what you're getting yourself into before you buy a new model vehicle. Because reliability is not a feature. It is something that is earned over years, not announced at the launch of the vehicle. As we know, during the launch of the presentation, they tell you everything, right? But here's what I would do. I would not touch any brand new Toyota platform right now, okay? So again, and especially for the Toyotas that we like and people like to buy, like the 4Runner, the Tacoma. We know what's been going on with the Tundra. That used to be a solid option until after 2023, right? 2023, 2024. Not because Toyota is a bad brand, but because right now, they're in a transition phase, right? And transitions come with problems. Simple. Who should still consider buying a new Toyota right now? Again, I'm not saying not buying, I'm talking about one of those new models. If you lease and you don't keep cars for a very long term, you know what? It doesn't matter. If you don't care about long-term reliability, or you just want the latest design and the latest and greatest tech, so just go ahead and go for it. But for people like me and people who should skip it, I'm telling you this: anyone buying long-term ownership, anyone trying to avoid repair, headaches, anyone thinking that Toyota used to mean automatic peace of mind, which is not the case anymore, you know what? That equation is not as solid anymore. Not anymore. Let's talk about money, right? You're spending about 50 to 80K. Some of them even in the 90s, right? On trucks right now. And for what? Unproven engines. Engines are gonna break on you. Unproven systems, right? And potential downtime. And when you are paying for cars and in the dealership, sometimes you end up waiting. And all the times that you're waiting, first you're waiting for parts, and secondly, when you have parts, there are not enough people to fix those cars because they become too complicated now. So I believe you should pump the brake and think twice about your options and choices. I believe Toyota used to be safe. When you say Toyota, and even Honda used to be way up in there. Toyota used to be the safest in the game. Now, you need to be a lot more selective when it comes to Toyota. You need to find out which model I want to use. Better in some ways, worth it? Not right now. You don't need that kind of trouble. So let's be real. Are you upgrading, or are you waiting this one out? Or even if you're upgrading to buy a Toyota, let me know. Are you planning on getting a brand new Toyota, or you would prefer to get an older model? Let me know what you think, and let me know what Toyota had always meant to you, or if there's anything changing. Again, let's talk, let's converse. And folks, my name is Birdie. Check the channel, subscribe and like. Until next time. Bye-bye, bye-bye.